In this video, I'm going to show you my exact Zoom setup where I'm able to look directly at the camera while also looking at the person I'm talking to. And I'm doing this through a mixture of different things such as a teleprompter, an iPad, a Luna display module, as well as of course Zoom. So this is what it looks like. I have my camera set up right here. It's connected to my Mac Studio right there. I have this teleprompter connected directly to my lens, which I'm going to link down below. I have my iPad mini right here. And of course, I have my Luna display module right here. I spent a long time looking for a device like this, but for me, you guys, this has been amazing and I definitely recommend it. Here's the website if you guys do want to buy it. It's just this very cool little small USB-C device that connects to your computer's ports. And this is the one right here. And if you click buy right here, it's going to take you to this page where you can select if you want a USB-C one, which is going to be most of you guys, a mini display port one, or an HDMI one. It's only 120 bucks, you guys, so super worth it. And it does have a lot of really cool functionality. So the link to this will also be down in the description below. As you guys can see, I can actually look directly at my camera while looking at the screen right here. So later on, I'm going to show you guys how I drag a Zoom onto my iPad and be able to look at someone with the image the correct way. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your Luna display and connect it to your computer. A mistake I made was connecting it to the wrong port. So not every single port on your computer is going to work for this. It has to be compatible with a video out signal. So for example, these two ports right here are not going to work. So I'm going to connect this back here. Now it's connected to that USB-C port right there. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to lunadisplay.com/start. It's going to redirect you to this page right here where it's going to show you the two things you need to get. So on your primary device, you're going to have to get the Luna primary app, and you can click this if you're on Windows and this if you're on Mac. It's going to take you through the setup process and it's very straightforward. After that, on your iPad, you're going to have to get the Luna secondary app. And what I recommend doing is just going to the App Store and finding it on there. So here I have the Luna display app opened up. And what I'm going to need to do right now is I'm going to have to open it on my iPad as well. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So here I'm going to click Luna display. It's going to open that and the two should connect automatically. So as you can see, we have now turned this iPad right here into a secondary display through my computer. And from here, you can actually change the arrangement. So right now I have the iPad to the left of my screen. So this one's going to make sense. If it was to the right of my main screen, I would probably click that. And you can also do a custom one if you want, where you can like drag and drop this however you like. But yeah, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go up here to Luna display and click on preferences. In my case, you're going to want to go to Mac to iPad since I am using a Mac and an iPad. And you're going to want to make sure that this is checked. So enable teleprompter mode. If you don't check this, this is actually going to be backwards because a teleprompter does flip the image. So you can see now it's flipped. So I definitely do want to make sure that this is checked. So after that, I'm going to open up Zoom. I'll click start right here. I can click start video. You guys can see that's me right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this over to my iPad. So let me actually show you guys what this looks like. Bam, I'm going to drag this over here. It's going to show up on the iPad in the correct orientation. I'll click this to make it full screen and bam. So now as you can see the image of me there. Of course, if you're zooming with someone, you're not going to actually, see yourself. This will be a video of them. And now I can literally just look at the camera like this while looking at the video feed of the other person. So it's a bit more personal, you guys. Instead of, looking off to the side or whatever, I can right now feel like I'm talking to the person while actually making eye contact with them. If you guys haven't set up your whole system to where you have a high quality camera connected to your computer, I'm actually going to link a video down below. I'm going to show you exactly how I connected my Sony mirrorless camera to my computer. Yeah, as you guys can see, the background is blurred. The image is really good. And that's because I'm using an actual camera as my webcam and not like one of those dinky webcams that are like $50 or $100. This setup costs a lot more, but in my opinion, it's completely worth it. So yeah, like I said before, I'm going to put everything I talked about in this video in the description down below. And if you do use those links, it's going to help support the channel. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Feel free to reference it at any time. And yeah, this is just a really cool way to be able to do Zoom calls while looking directly at the camera while seeing the person you're talking to. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. On this channel, we make a ton of free how-to videos and guides that are all meant to help entrepreneurs build their business. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.